little Miko, the baby monkey, gathered berries for his friends. Tigo, the shy tiger cub, came running with worry in his eyes.
Fina, the quick baby fox, joined them. Something was wrong. Baby deer Daru was stuck, his tiny leg trapped under a heavy branch.
Miko called Piri, the forest's little messenger. Piri arrived in a flash, ready to help.
Together, the tiny friends used all their strength, and they freed Daru at last. Their hearts were small, but their friendship was strong.